I want to stay in heaven.
Why?
Because I want to see Jesus and Spirit Room with Sadie and Simon.
Well, wouldn't you miss Mommy and Johnny and Cleo and Chance?
I'll dream about you.
Don't you think we would miss you?
Yes.
Yeah, we miss you a lot. What about your teacher? Would you miss your teacher?
No.
What? That's crazy talk. You love your teacher. She's your favorite person in the world. Why don't you stay here with me? I like you. I like having you around. You're my baby.
I'm not a baby anymore.
All right, you're my little man.
So what is Johnny doing?
I think he's getting ready for school. What are you doing? You flying your slingshot? Hmm?
It's not a shame slingshot.